Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 divided by x squared plus 4x plus 3 plus 3x squared plus 8x plus 6 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2 plus 4x squared plus 7x plus 4 divided by x squared plus 2x plus 1 equal to 9. Our job is to find all possible values of. So let's start. We can rewrite this numerator as 2 times x squared plus 8 times x plus 6 minus x divided by this denominator remains same, x squared plus 4 times x plus 3 plus we can rewrite this numerator as 3 times x squared plus 9 times x plus 6 minus x divided by x squared plus 3 times x plus 2 plus we can rewrite this numerator as 4 times x squared plus 8 times x plus 4 minus x divided by x squared plus 2 times x plus 1, and this is equal to 9. Now we can factor out 2 from this numerator, so this will become 2 as common factor in bracket left x squared plus 4 times x plus 3 minus x divided by x squared plus 4 times x plus 3 plus from this numerator we can factor out 3 in bracket left x squared plus 3 times x plus 2 minus x divided by x squared plus 3 times x plus 2 plus from these three terms we can factor out 4 in bracket left x squared plus 2 times x plus 1 minus x divided by x squared plus 2 times x plus 1, and this is equal to 9. Now we can rewrite this fraction as 2 minus x divided by we can factor this denominator x squared plus 4x is same as x plus 3 times x plus this 3 remains same plus we can rewrite this fraction as 3 minus x divided by we can factor this denominator x squared and 3x is same as plus x plus 2x plus 2 plus this fraction can be written as 4 minus x divided by this x squared plus 2x plus 1 is same as x plus 1 whole squared equal to 9. Now this 2 plus 3 plus 4 will become 9 minus x divided by from these two terms we can factor out x in bracket left x plus 1. From these two terms we can factor out plus 3 in bracket left x plus 1 minus in the same way x divided by from these two terms we can factor out x in bracket left x plus 1. These two terms we can factor out plus 2 in bracket left x plus 1 minus x divided by this x plus 1 whole squared remains same x plus 1 whole squared equal to 9. Now we subtract 9 from both sides, so this cancelled out and this cancelled out, and this fraction will become negative x divided by x plus 1 as common factor in bracket left x plus 3 minus this will become x divided by x plus 1 as common factor in bracket left x plus 2 minus x divided by x plus 1 whole squared equal to 0. Now we can factor out negative x over x plus 1. Negative x over x plus 1 as common factor. In bracket left 1 divided by x plus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 equal to 0. Now by using the zero product rule, either this expression negative x divided by x plus 1 equal to 0, or this second factor 1 divided by x plus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 equal to 0. From this equation, if we multiply both sides by x plus 1, this implies that x is equal to 0. This is the first value of x. This is the first solution of this equation. To find other solutions, we solve this equation. We can rewrite this 1 over x plus 3 as 1 divided by x plus 2 plus 1 plus this remains same 1 divided by x plus 2 plus this can be written as 1 divided by x plus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have same expression here x plus 2 and same here x plus 2 and same here x plus 2. So we suppose that let x plus 2 equal to u. So the equation will become 1 divided by u plus 1 plus 1 over u plus 1 divided by u minus 1 equal to 0. We combine these two terms, so the equation will become 1 divided by u plus 1 plus 1 divided by u minus 1 plus 1 over u equal to 0. Now common denominator of these two denominators is u plus 1 times u minus 1. So 1 time u minus 1 u minus 1 plus 1 time u plus 1 u plus 1 plus 1 over u equal to 0. This positive 1 will be cancelled out with this negative 1 and u plus u will become 2u divided by this u plus 1 times u minus 1 will become u squared minus 1 plus 1 over u equal to 0. Now we take LCM of these two denominators. The LCM is u times u squared minus 1. So 2u times this u will become 2u squared, and 1 time u squared minus 1 plus u squared minus 1 equal to 0. Further simplify, this will become 3 times u squared minus 1 equal to 0, and this implies that u squared equal to 1 over 3, and we take a square root of both sides. So this will become u is equal to plus minus 1 over root 3. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide by root 3. So u will be equal to plus minus root 3 divided by 3. Now recall that we have supposed that x plus 2 equal to u. Recall that x plus 2 equal to u. Since u is equal to this expression, So x plus 2 will be equal to plus minus root 3 over 3. Move this 2 to the right hand side. This will become x is equal to negative 2 plus minus root 3 divided by 3. It means that x2 is equal to negative 2 plus root 3 over 3, and x3 is equal to negative 2 minus root 3 over 3. First we found that x1 is equal to x1 equal to 0. First we found that x1 is equal to 0. So we have three solutions for this equation: 0, negative 2 plus root 3 over 3, and negative 2 minus root 3 over 3.